The other thing we just wanted to tell some of the people and some of the viewers, the community members, is about the two different Shroom Nation pools.
Yes, that's right.
So basically the Ethereum and Bitcoin pools, which is going to be Coinbase Ethereum and Coinbase Bitcoin. Maybe you just want to explain a bit more about that.
Yeah, basically, Shroom is paired against Bitcoin and paired against Ethereum in the liquidity pools that people can buy from and sell into, which means that it gets some of the same price action that Bitcoin and Ethereum gets. So if Ethereum goes up or if Bitcoin goes up, then Shroom will go up as well, regardless of if anybody is buying or not.
Okay.
Obviously, if people are buying or selling, that would influence it.
Yeah.
But it's nice price action that you get to move with the two leaders in crypto.
Well, I think that's amazing because in essentially what you have, you actually invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum at the same time.